Nature's architects birds and their nests. Birds are masters of construction, creating safe havens for their young. They use what they find around them. Twigs, grass, mud, even spider webs are useful. Birds gather these materials with their beaks. Some, like swallows, use their saliva to bind mud into sturdy nests. Weaving and tucking, they create a perfect cradle for their eggs. Each nest is different, just like each bird species. High in trees, tucked into grass, or perched on a cliff ledge, each nest is a testament to the ingenuity of birds. From egg to hatchling, a new generation emerges. Once the nest is ready, the mother bird lays her eggs. These eggs, speckled and colored for camouflage, hold the promise of new life. The parents take turns keeping the eggs warm, a process called incubation. The warmth helps the baby birds grow inside the eggs. After days or weeks, depending on the bird species, the eggs begin to hatch. Tiny beaks chip away at the shell until finally a new chick emerges. These hatchlings are small and vulnerable, relying completely on their parents for warmth and food. A parent's love. Nurturing and protecting fragile lives. Parent birds are tireless in their care for their young. They keep the chicks warm and protect them from predators. Feeding is a full-time job. Parents fly back and forth, bringing back insects, seeds, or even regurgitated food. Different birds feed their young in different ways. Pigeons and doves produce a special crop milk to nourish their chicks. Flamingos feed their young a red, milk-like substance. Emperor penguins keep their eggs warm on their feet. Woodpeckers chisel out insects from trees for their young. Taking flight, the journey to independence. As the chicks grow, they start to explore the world outside the nest. They flap their wings and practice short flights. Parents continue to guide and protect their young, teaching them how to find food and avoid danger. Gradually, the young birds become more independent. They learn to fly with confidence and find their own food. Finally, the day comes when they are ready to leave the nest and start their own families. The cycle of life begins anew.